The next thing I want to look at is castor oil, and I've got some good news. I'm not going to advise you drink it. But castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur. It can break up tumours. I have known women have told me this, that's broken up lumps in the breast, and those lumps may be cysts or even breast cancer.
Tired of being tired all the time? Tired of your bones hurting? Tired of feeling decades older than you already are? Don't worry, Barbara O'Neill has got you covered. Her remedy can help with a ton of issues such as constipation, cysts, bone spurs, gallstones, and liver problems. If you're facing any of these issues, then her castor oil is on its way to rescue you. Dr. Barbara O'Neill strongly believes that castor oil is very healing. She points out that while you shouldn't drink it because it acts as a strong laxative, it's amazing when used on the outside of the body.
Now I'd like to look at castor oil. And castor oil is something that penetrates deep into the body. I never advise taking castor oil by mouth because it can be quite irritating. So I'm going to show you how to make a pack. So here is, I think we're familiar with them, they're blueies. Oh, this is a greenie, but it's an incontinence pad. So what we do is we get those and we cut them and we take off that top layer and we put several layers in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 layers of that oil sheeting in there. You see, the thicker the compress, the more castor oil it can hold, and the more castor oil that can go into your body.
Castor oil can penetrate deeply, making it a special and very effective treatment for the skin. Research supports the use of castor oil packs for reducing inflammation, pain, and improving circulation. Its application can help in breaking down abnormal tissue growths such as cysts and tumors, providing a natural and non-invasive treatment option. Dr. O'Neill recounts several success stories illustrating the remarkable impact of castor oil. For example, a woman managed to reduce a 3 centimeters breast lump to 2 centimeters in just 1 month of using castor oil packs before opting for surgery.
She said, an amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimetres. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, you know, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimetres. Now it's only 2.
Castor oil is also beneficial for addressing various abdominal issues. When applied to the abdomen, it can help with uterine fibroids, ovarian cysts, and digestive problems like constipation.
Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. That will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if the...
Research supports the use of castor oil for abdominal health. Its application can stimulate the lymphatic system, enhance detoxification, and reduce inflammation in the abdominal organs. This can lead to improved digestive function and relief from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and constipation. The versatility of castor oil extends to breaking up kidney stones and gallstones. By applying castor oil compresses to the affected area, the oil's deep penetration can help dissolve these painful deposits.
So you can use it to break up gallstones. So you would put it, say, on the liver area under the right rib. You may put it at the back to break up kidney stones.
Scientific literature supports the efficacy of castor oil in aiding the dissolution of stones. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of castor oil make it an effective natural remedy for alleviating the discomfort associated with kidney and gallstones. Dr. O'Neill also highlights the benefits of castor oil for treating joint issues such as bone spurs and arthritis. Its application can reduce inflammation and pain, promoting joint health.
I've known people that have had bone spurs, say on the knee, and they'll apply the castor oil compresses.
Research indicates that the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and reduce the formation of bone spurs. The oil's ability to penetrate deeply into the tissues makes it an effective treatment for chronic joint pain and stiffness. Dr. O'Neill's discussion of castor oil extends to its use in treating brain tumors and other serious conditions.
I've also seen it help people with brain tumours, and what they do is they put it on the area. Remember, it'll penetrate very, very deep, break up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions.
Emerging research supports the potential of castor oil in aiding the treatment of brain tumors. Its application can enhance local circulation and promote the breakdown of abnormal tissue growths, providing a complementary approach to conventional treatments. The wisdom shared by Dr. Barbara O'Neill in her lectures highlights the power of these substances to prevent and treat a wide range of health conditions. Remember, while natural remedies can be incredibly effective, they should complement, not replace, conventional medical treatments when necessary.